Hi and welcome to Copenhagen, Denmark. As the biggest telecoms provider in the country, TDC has more than 140 years of experience and continuously provides the best customer experience in terms of high speed, quality and coverage. But to meet the rising demands for high-speed broadband and to tackle fierce competition, TDC wanted to upgrade its network to use the latest technology and provide an even better service for its customers.
TDC initiated this Gigaspeed project to support our ambition to be the leading infrastructure provider in Denmark. We have a footprint of 1.5 million households, which is more than 50% of the population. We found that we, in a very cost-efficient way, can upgrade our coax network to cope with speed that is superior to consumer private fiber speeds actually.
For TDC, upgrading from the legacy network to DOCSIS 3.1 is a must for providing gigabit internet access. And if TDC succeeds, it will be the first commercial DOCSIS 3.1 network in Europe.
The challenges that we're facing is actually quite huge. There's always a risk when it comes to new technology, but we are very confident that Huawei has the right technology here.
In the beginning of the project, TDC didn't know much about Huawei cable solution and our capability in this area. Actually, at that time, Huawei DCAP solution has already been massively commercially deployed in mainland China, Brazil and France. We also proposed industry-first DOCSIS 3.1 prototype. Huawei established our test demo environment based on TDC network in our headquarters as well. Since TDC project is the first in the industry and there is no precedent case, TDC has made a very strict and also comprehensive process for testing and verification. Fortunately, we have passed through all the test case and we have initiated the Europe's first DOCSIS 3.1 commercial trial together with TDC.
After finishing all the testing, TDC finally chose Huawei to build its DOCSIS 3.1 network. But why did they choose Huawei?
TDC chose Huawei as our partner on DOCSIS 3.1 for a couple of reasons. We did a thorough investigation of the capabilities in the vendor landscape. We found that Huawei's solution with the CCAP solution was superior when it came to the technology. So we have complete confidence that Huawei will be able to handle a complex project like this.
Besides the end-to-end DOCSIS 3.1 solutions, we have accumulated successful project management experiences globally. So we are going to successfully deliver this project in Denmark.
Let's look at the on-site delivery. In the pub, the CMTS system takes up a lot of space and requires a lot of power, because it's not only the CMTS equipment that needs to be deployed, but also the EdgeCom, converter, optical transmitter, receiver and much more. But Huawei's DCCAP solution only deploys a 6-unit OLT in the pub and covers 30,000 to 50,000 subscribers using 10G-PON technology, which can save space up to 80% and energy up to 60% for the pub. The DOCSIS 3.1 CMC will replace the fiber node, and the CMC's capacity can be upgraded to 10 gigabits with full spectrum, so there's no need for further hardware installation and replacements. The amplifiers have an integrated DOCSIS transponder to enable remote management of the amplifiers. They also support intelligent automatic level and slope control, so the parameters can be set in advance.
Huawei has now deployed 4 DOCSIS 3.1 capable CMCs for the field trial in TDC network. All of the 4 CMCs have been prepared and pre-configured in the centralized management systems in order for the installation of the CMCs to be plug and play. Some of the advantages with the new amplifiers is the built-in automatic line calibration and the DOCSIS transponder, which makes it possible for the element manager system U2000 to do remote management on the amplifiers.
My family and I, we really enjoy this upgrade and 1 gigabit internet connection. It's really fast. The boys, they use their tablets, streaming TV, playing games and all that. And we can watch TV at the same time. It's all new for us. In the future, the 4K TV and the instant cloud access for all our pictures and files. It's going to be great.
Our roadmap for deploying DOCSIS 3.1 is basically fourfold. We are just on the brink of launching our field trial project. Next thing would be to implement a pilot network, aiming for a 15% coverage at the end of 2016 and doing the remaining part of the network transformation in 2017. It's a highly ambitious plan, but we think it's doable.
The successful deployment of the first European 3.1 network is important for TDC's aim of becoming a leading provider of integrated communications and entertainment solutions in Scandinavia. TDC is a successful case and is just one of many. See you at the next one.